Okay, today we're going to deal with an integral very similar to the one that I last posted, so if you didn't already watch that video, you might want to go back and watch it, that way you're going to have some background for this video. Okay, when we have a monster like this, we're like, well, I might want to call this the derivative of this, or vice versa, but then you realize that they have different values inside the integrals. You can't really replace 11x with 9x, and so you're like, well, I'm stuck. And so you come over to Ben Yazdi. Because he is just amazing. He's like, okay, I got you. And he says, remember in pre-calculus when you learned this? Which of course you memorized like a nice student. Plus cosine A sine B. And then you also have this one over here. And now look at this. Adding both of these up and dividing by 2, we get cosine A times cosine B equals 1/2 cosine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. And you can see that sine of A cosine of B falls directly under this form. If you want me to write out these steps, you should check out the previous video, the video prior to this one. Because now, look, we can evaluate this integral at a different integral which has addition inside of it, which means that we can evaluate at 2 different parts, which is a big help. So in this case, we're going to say A plus B is going to be 11 and A minus B is 9. So, since this part's a multiplication, we're going to say A is equal to 11x. And B is equal to 9x. And now I can plug it into here. So this is equal to the integral, I can take that 1/2 out, of cosine of A plus B, that would be 20x, plus sine of 2x dx. And now over here we can split it into 2 integrals, 1/2 cosine of 20x dx plus this bad boy over here. That's a 20x. Okay. And now we can see that this is equal to sine's derivative is cosine, but since it's sine of 20x, again, if you did a U-substitution, you'd see this easily. Using the chain will be the derivative of sine of 20x is sine of 20x times 20, so we're going to have to divide by 20 over here. And then it would be plus negative cosine of 2x over 2, because cosine's derivative is negative sine, so negative cosine's derivative is sine. Then we divide by 2 to cancel out for the chain rule. And then you can also add a constant. So thank you much for watching, and goodbye.